Yo, welcome back to Wisdom Works, back at it. What's up, fam? Yo, just thought I'd do a quick video on Spyder L3 rear tire. I actually had to get a tire replaced. I had to get a new rear tire. The front tires are fine, but the rear tire I had to have replaced because I had burned it out, peeled it out. I was next to nothing on the rubber on the rear tire before. If you look at one of my other videos, I actually showed the tire and showed how little rubber was still on the tire. However, now your boy has a new tire, and let me show it to you. This is the new tire. I've had it maybe 2 weeks, and this is just more of an FYI video. I pretty much got probably 9,200 miles on that rear tire before I had the tire replaced. So the new tire is installed, but let me break down the cost, how much it hit me for to get this rear tire. Okay, so the total cost of the tire, of a brand new rear tire on my Can-Am Spyder L3, ran me $313.95. So yeah, it's definitely not a cheap thing, and definitely makes you think before you start doing any peel outs or anything extra on your bike. Make you think about that money that you just spent on that rear tire. But it's $313 for the rear tire. It's actually $174.99 for the tire itself, and then another $123.50 for the labor, and then taxes. So that brought me to a grand total of $313.95. And let me show you the receipt. Okay, as you can see right there, you see the $174.99 at the top for the parts for the tire, for the rear tire, one tire. And then you see the $123.50 for labor. And then you see the total cost being $313.95 after $12.46 for taxes, $3 for disposal fee, and there you have it. So just wanted to share that information with you all. If you know of a situation or know of a place where you can actually get the tire cheaper, hit me up and let me know. I'll be curious to know. I needed the rear tire, so I just went and paid for it. It wasn't a big deal, but definitely if you know a place a little bit cheaper or have some suggestions for other viewers, hit me in the comments below and just kind of let me know. Let all of us know. So yeah, there you go. So I appreciate the love and the support that you guys have been giving as well. Comment, like, subscribe below. I definitely appreciate the support. And as I have different things done to the bike, I will definitely let you know how much those things hit me for, how much those things cost. Until next time, peace.